I recently had an issue with my wife's iPad. What should have been very simple, simple as in should have been able to just go onto iTunes, backup, factory reset through the iPad, through settings, into general, reset, erase all contents and settings. I should have been able to just do that. Then restore backup. Should have taken only 30 minutes, but when I tried doing it on my wife's iPad, it ended up taking me about 3 hours because after I had factory reset it, the storage was still really bad. This other folder was from 13 gigabytes to 25 gigabytes, so there's no way to install anything on my 32 gigabyte iPad. So, what was the solution? I had to go back onto iTunes. Didn't do any of this. I did an update to the latest version 15.4.1, and that fixed my problem, sort of. It actually ended up freezing during the firmware update, and I had to force shut down my iPad. So that took me 30 minutes to an hour, realizing it was frozen and redoing the update. The problem was when it doesn't update, if it's not in a certain mode like restore or DFU mode, when it tries to do the update, it can't do it successfully. So when I had to reset it from when it was frozen, it put it into recovery mode, and 3 hours after I updated it, I could go back to restoring my backup. So how long should it take to factory reset and then restore your backup? Or backup, factory reset, then restore backup? I thought it would only take 30 minutes. Ended up taking me 3 hours. Hope Apple fixes this.